Hi, I'm Pat Hoover with Microwave Journal. I'm here at IMS 2025 in the Werlatone booth talking to Peter Kieran. Welcome, Peter.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, big milestones, 60 years. What are some of the things that led up to that? What are some of the significant happenings to get through those 60 years?
So, Werlatone started in 1965. Glenn Werlau started the company in the basement of his house. The company has evolved into a leading supplier of high-power passive components, and we've had some significant milestones along the way. It's our 60th anniversary of the company here in 2025, and it's a great accomplishment for the company, for the Werlatone family. It's still a family business, and we're very proud of the company. In terms of milestones, some of the programs that we're now involved in as a result of some of the research and development that the company did along the way in the last 60 years. And during that time, we moved from always staying tuned to high power, but following the solid state industry and the devices associated with the industry. We always tried to stay at the forefront of the power levels that those devices could produce. And that's been our mainstay: high power, wideband, low insertion loss, and that's really allowed us to stay at the forefront of the passive power industry.
Yeah, and you were able to do that with a lot of innovation. You have a lot of patents, great designs that have kept you in business over the years. So what do you see for the next 60 years?
So we're thinking that some of the products that we currently make have to fit in smaller packages. Power density is everything in the industry. We're staying to our motto of high power, and we're continuing to go higher in frequency. And there's real challenges going higher in frequency and maintaining the power levels that are demanded of our industry. So that's where we think everything is going. We're a component house primarily, moving into solutions, and that allows us to take many of the different designs that we've come up with along the way, and we're integrating them into common packages, integrated sub-assemblies. That's really our future, and for the past 10 years has been the key to our success.
And so you're here at IMS 2025. You have some new products. What is it, 2 to 18 gigahertz products here?
Yes. So until about 2010, Werlatone concentrated primarily up to about 6 gigahertz. But as we're going higher in frequency and maintaining, as I said, the power levels and the efficiencies that we're used to providing and the industry is asking of us, we've now moved into 18 gigahertz. And on our booth here at the IMS in 2025, we have a combination of a couple of different products. They've taken us a couple of years to develop in support of applications that are ongoing out in the marketplace. This happens to be an 8-way combiner that is rated at 200 watts. In the 6 to 18 gigahertz range. Its brother product here is a full 2 to 18 combiner for a 2 to 18 200 watt application. We always know that when we do a high power combiner or design a high power combiner, it has to be accompanied by a dual directional coupler that can measure accurately its forward and reverse power. So our engineering team has spent a great deal of time putting together a combiner directional coupler application or combination that allows our customers to do everything they need to do. We're currently working on some beamforming applications that require combinations of 90 degree and 180 degree architectures. And so now we've been able to, as a result of that beamforming adventure that we've been on for the last 2 or 3 years, we can now have what's come of that is a line of 2 to 18, 90 degree and 180 degree combiners. So we're really trying to fill out the 2 to 18, allow our customers to do 2 to 18 when they're used to doing 2 to 6 and 6 to 18, and we're trying to look into the future in supporting customers' requirements to do the full 2 to 18 in one band. That's our immediate future. Beyond that, let's see what happens. We're bringing on a great talent base of young engineers. One of them is here joining us here for this show. And we have quite a few. We're up to 12 engineers that we're using to develop a product line that's constantly moving higher in frequency, which is where we see the industry going.
Well, thanks, Peter, for talking about that long and rich history, and good luck with the next 60.
Thank you very much.
Coming to you from IMS 2025 in San Francisco.